In this video, we'll show you how to run a risk mapping experiment. Log into the platform and click on Workflows. Select Risk Mapping. Then, create a new project. Give your project a title and a description. When you are ready, click Create. To run a risk mapping experiment, you will need to complete each of these sections in the tree, on the left-hand side of your screen. As you complete each section, the orange exclamation marks will turn into green ticks. Start by selecting a study region. The platform provides you with a default value, but you can use your own study region by clicking on the Add button. To progress through the experiment, click on Next Step. This will direct you to the first part of the experiment that needs to be completed, the abiotic suitability. This is the climatic conditions where the pest or disease is known to live in its native range. Click on Add New Input to choose the abiotic suitability. In this example, we use a species distribution model we prepared earlier. When you have added your abiotic suitability, click the Run button. The orange exclamation mark will turn into a green tick, and you will be ready to move on to the next step, choosing the biotic suitability. This is where the biotic conditions, or host material, can be found in Australia. Click on Add New Input, and select your biotic suitability predictors. In this example, we want to choose from different vegetation types. Click the prompt to configure your predictors. When you have made your choices, click Save. When you have saved successfully, click the Run button. Your predictors will visualize on the map, and a green tick will appear. Now you are ready to complete the biotic suitability section. Click on Biotic Suitability, and then click Run. Now you have completed the abiotic and biotic suitability, click Next Step and you can complete the pest suitability section. Click Run. Your pest suitability map will visualize, and you can move on to the next step, pest arrivals. This is where likely carriers of the pest or disease, such as people or goods, may arrive in the country. Select Add New Input, and choose your arrival pathway. Click the prompt to configure your pathway. When you are ready, click Run. When the green tick appears, you can complete the pest arrival section. Click Run. Your pest arrivals map will visualize, and you can complete the final step, the pest establishment likelihood. This is the chance that a pest or disease might arrive in an area, and find conditions where it can establish. Click Run, and you can view and export your results when they are ready. Before running your own risk mapping experiment, you can practice on a preloaded experiment in Biosecurity Commons. Head back to the home screen, select Workflows, and then select Risk Mapping. Create a new project. In the drop-down menu, select Biosecurity Risk Mapping MEHW example. This is an example we have preloaded for an invasive weed called Mousea hawkweed. Click Create. The layers are pre-completed, so you can see how we have arrived at the pest establishment likelihood. Read our video description, and click the link to our support portal for more detailed information about risk mapping.